Hello, everyone. I'm Holly Simmons, Vice President, Oracle Customer Experience Product Management. I am thrilled to be here with you to celebrate the Markie Awards and announce the winner of the Borderless Award for Best International Marketing Campaign. Congratulations to all of our finalists in this category. Now, this category never ceases to amaze me. The work being done by marketers on a global scale is nothing short of incredible, and it's absolutely inspiring. Not only did the finalists featured in this category successfully reach different audiences geographically, but they also connected with people of various cultures and in different languages. And to top it off, they managed to provide personalized communications to their diverse audiences. So let's take a deeper look into why each of these companies caught the attention of the judging panel. Our first finalist is Aeon. Aeon is a leading global professional services firm. It provides a large range of risk, retirement, and health solutions. They use data and analytics to deliver insights to reduce volatility and improve performance. Aeon was faced with the challenge of creating truly valuable content for their C-suite audience. They sought to develop communications that executives across the globe not only wanted to hear, but also needed to hear. And their goals included the need to position the brand as a recognized leader with high value assets to build opportunity and to help their sales teams close leads. So for this successful global campaign, Aeon produced a number of high quality materials, including video content, articles, and reports on key global issues facing leaders today. The campaign was powered by Oracle Eloqua, and it included a country activation kit to guide regional teams for consistent implementation across the board, while tailoring translation and localization to suit the executives in each region. The marketing program has created much better alignment among the sales and marketing teams, and they can now utilize those toolkits and playbooks for future campaigns. The results are really impressive here. Aeon's campaign led to 1,500 sales accepted leads for their highly influential C-suite contacts around the world. Our second finalist, Coloplast, is a healthcare product manufacturer, and they directly impact the quality of life of their customers through communications. Historically, Coloplast purely manufactured ostomy and continence products without engaging any of its end users. And due to the sensitive nature surrounding the use of their products, they found that some customers were not addressing concerns with professionals in a clinical setting, leading to unsupported users. After spotting this unmet need, they developed the Coloplast Care program to better support patients and to provide a better experience with their products and improve the quality of their life. The program spans 14 countries and over 250,000 patients. It advises patients through each part of the life cycle through a personalized interactive communications across multiple digital channels and phone. Users of Coloplast Care are significantly more engaged with product campaigns, and they stay loyal to Coloplast products. And their engagement levels are well above healthcare industry averages, with exceptionally high consumer satisfaction scores and an unsubscribe rate of less than 1%. Our next finalist is Lairdale Medical, whose mission is to help save lives. Through their pioneering work with soft plastics, the company created the first mannequin to be used for resuscitation training, an amazing invention that we're all familiar with that would come to affect the way people learned how to perform CPR across the world. Lairdale Medical believes that when applying best practices, survival rates from sudden cardiac arrest can be increased from 7 to 12%, saving roughly 50,000 more lives a year. To support this goal, they decided to run a global multi-channel campaign to help train as many people as possible in CPR. The campaign was called the World Restart a Heart Day. Lairdale aimed to achieve maximum reader engagement, develop messaging that could lead to lives saved, and address local issues in resuscitation with a tie to how Lairdale can help. Oracle Eloqua empowered their team to conceptualize, plan, and run global campaigns without having to involve too many team members, increasing their overall effectiveness. The World Restart a Heart Day campaign was super successful. It launched across 14 countries via email, social, live communications, and it reached over 100,000 individuals, where more than 50,000 trained in CPR. Pretty amazing. Our fourth finalist is Les Mills International, the creator of 20 global group fitness programs licensed by 20,000 clubs in 100 countries. Most recently, they embarked on a journey to promote their high-intensity interval training program, Les Mills Grit, around the world. Their target audience included decision makers, influencers in gyms, and fitness facilities across 7 global markets. Their main challenge in promoting their program included scaling among different regions while maintaining a consistent brand message, standing out in a crowded market, developing a reporting system that could tie campaign performance to business success, and integrating the technology and data. So putting together such a large campaign across multiple regions is pretty complex and involving hundreds of assets and translations. By leveraging Oracle Eloqua, Les Mills was able to build the global campaign in just 8 weeks. After deploying that campaign, they have achieved some outstanding results. Their click-to-open rate increased 25% year over year, and their lead volume from acquisition exceeded the target of 5,000 leads by 10%, up 23% from 2018. And most telling is the uplift in customer lifetime value and revenue, which resulted in a campaign ROI of 151%. Our 5th finalist, Outokumpu, headquartered in Finland, is the global leader in stainless steel. Outokumpu sought to grow revenue by expanding their customer base and increasing the proportion of value-added products. But Outokumpu faced some challenges. While the company is regarded as an industry giant, they never historically had to do much proactive lead generation. In order to expand the customer base, they knew they had to embark on this digital journey and completely transform their global marketing and sales operations. After deploying Oracle Eloqua across all the regions, they defined buyer personas and journeys. They then set campaign goals and target markets, all while involving input and collaboration from the sales and marketing teams. In just 4 months, Outokumpu went from a non-existent digital marketing and lead generation system to fully embracing automation and receiving a steady flow of leads. The results of their pilot campaigns went far beyond the industry standards, and their average unique click-through rate is 210% over industry averages. Outokumpu they've generated more than 151 leads, exceeding their goal of 100. And one of the most exciting outcomes has been successfully converting a lead, which has the potential to surpass revenue of all sales to date for the product. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, and the Markies 2020 Borderless Award for Best International Marketing Campaign goes to Coloplast. Congratulations to Coloplast for being a finalist and winning this award. Coloplast really stood out in this category because they successfully launched a highly complex campaign that was scalable and repeatable across the globe. And you've all created an amazing program that not only supports your business goals, but also deeply affects the well-being and the quality of life for your customers. So we are thrilled to shine the spotlight on the good work you're doing. Congratulations to the team at Coloplast.
Thanks for this fantastic award. We are very pleased to receive the Markie Award for our Coloplast Care program. It's all about helping people living with intimate healthcare needs. Today, a lot of people, when they get out of hospital, don't have the support that they really need and that they really deserve. That especially goes for people living with an ostomy or people having to use intermittent catheters. Because of Eloqua and because we've created a tailored customer journey, we've been able to help our patients once they get out of the hospital with tailored tips and tricks, with the right information at the right time, and with a various amount of tools and information for our users that they otherwise wouldn't have gotten had they just been discharged from the hospital. So today and for the latter part of the years, we've actually helped thousands and thousands of people all over the world in many countries living with these issues. And we are making a difference every day, and we are extremely proud of receiving this award and extremely proud of the work that everyone in the company has been doing. So thanks a lot for the recognition. It means a lot, and we wish you all the best. Thanks.